Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use dial pad tone sound. Friends you want to on and friends you want to use dial pad tone sound. So what is dial pad tone, how to on, how to use it. Today friends we are going to talk about it. So first of all guys, now I will show guys what is dial pad. So on guys your dial pad guys, we will on dial pad. So after on dial pad friends, you can see guys, if I enter any number, so friends you can see my dial pad tone background sound is not working. So guys, how to on get this dial pad tone and how to use guys, now let's see. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting in your oppo phone. So how to on and use, friends click on your sound and vibration, and friends you can see this type of settings. So guys, where is dial pad tone? Friends you can see dial pad tone is not here. So friends you can on guys, click on more sound and haptics, click here. Friends first dial pad tone, friends you can see lock screen sound. You can also use screenshot sound, delete sound and touch sound. So one by one I will tell you. So I first I will talk about the dial pad tone. So friends you can see guys, now come on guys your dial pad page. This dial pad page guys we will on. Friends you can see now when I will enter number, friends you can see dial pad tone is on. So this so this tone guys we call it dial pad tone. So like that guys, you can on and you can use your dial pad tone. And friends you want to off guys, you don't want to use, so how to off guys, again guys open your phone setting, and guys you don't know guys which dial pad tone setting. So with direct guys you can search, and guys you can off also guys. So with dial pad tone friends, direct I will search. So friends you can see direct guys, I can off my dial pad tone setting. And friends you can see after okay dial pad tone will not work. Friends you can see on again dial pad. Friends you can see this dial pad tone will not work in my oppo phone device guys. So I hope friends you understood how to off and how to use dial pad tone in oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends you want to use log sound, screenshot sound, delete sound, you can also on and off from here. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.